Welcome everyone, I'm your instructor, and today we're diving into the Build a Sentence task from the TOEFL writing section. This exercise is all about precision and logical flow. We'll start by analyzing a context sentence to understand the topic. Then we'll piece together a scrambled response word by word to ensure perfect grammatical structure. Let's get started on building your writing confidence. If you're finding these grammar breakdowns helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert tips. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. The Great Fire destroyed much of London in 1666. This context sentence introduces a historical disaster, specifically how the Great Fire affected London centuries ago. Since the fire is described as destructive, we should logically expect the following sentence to provide specific details about the damage or the impact on the local population. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. To build this sentence, we first place the quantifier many. Next, we add our subject citizens. Then, we need the past tense verb, so we drag lost. After the verb, we place the possessive, there followed by the noun homes. Now we need a prepositional phrase, so we move in. Then we add the article the. Next, we place the adjective massive. Finally, we finish with the noun blaze. The Ural Mountains separate Europe from Asia. The context here focuses on geography, mentioning how the Ural Mountains serve as a boundary between two continents. And given this setup, the next sentence will likely describe the physical extent or the location of this geographical feature in more detail. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's assemble this description step by step. First, we start with the demonstrative adjective this. Then we place the subject range. Next, we need our verb, so we drag stretches. To describe the path, we add the preposition across. Then we place the proper noun Russia. We follow this with the preposition from. Next, we add the direction north. Then we use the preposition to. Finally, we end with the direction south. The student union organizes a volunteer fair annually. This sentence describes a recurring campus event called the Volunteer Fair organized for students. We should expect the next sentence to elaborate on the purpose of this event, specifically who is participating and what their goals are. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We will begin by placing the adjective local. Next, we add the subject charities. Then we need the action, so we drag the verb recruit. After that, we add the quantifier many. Next, we place the object students. Then we use the preposition for. We follow that with the adjective community. Finally, we place the noun projects. Ferdinand Magellan led the first expedition around Earth. The context introduces a famous historical voyage, the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe. Logically, the following sentence should provide a specific result or an outcome of this long and difficult journey. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the number one. Next, we add the adjective small. Then we place the subject ship. After the subject, we need the verb, so we drag returned. Then we add the preposition to. Next, we place the destination Spain. We follow this with the number 3. Then we add the noun years. Finally, we place the adverb later. The Yukon River flows through Alaska and Canada. This context sentence establishes the location of the Yukon River in North America. Based on this, we can anticipate that the next sentence will share a notable fact about the river's history or its environment, particularly regarding human activity there. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's start by placing the noun gold. Next, we add the subject miners. Then, we need our main verb, so we drag discovered. After the verb, we place the quantifier many. Next, we add the adjective valuable. Then, we place the object nuggets. We follow this with the preposition along. Next, we add the demonstrative these. Finally, we finish with the noun banks. The Science Museum offers internships to undergraduate students. The context sentence mentions an opportunity for undergraduate students at a science museum. We should expect the following sentence to describe the specific responsibilities or tasks these students perform during their time at the museum. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the subject interns. Next, we add the verb help. Then we place the object visitors. After that, we need the base form of the verb, so we drag learn. Next, we add the preposition about. Then we place the adjective various. We follow this with another adjective historical. Finally, we end with the noun exhibits. The Rosetta Stone helped experts decode ancient Egyptian writing. This context sentence explains the importance of the Rosetta Stone in understanding ancient Egyptian writing. We can expect the next sentence to detail the method researchers used to achieve this breakthrough. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We'll start by placing the subject scholars. Next, we add the past tense verb studied. Then we place the article the e. After that, we add the adjective Greek. Next, we place the noun text. Then we need the infinitive marker, so we drag to. We follow this with the verb understand. Next, we add the article the. Finally, we finish with the noun hieroglyphs. Every student must verify their email address today. The context sentence sets up an administrative requirement for students to verify their contact information. Logically, the next sentence should explain why this verification is necessary or what the university uses those accounts for. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we place the article the. Next, we add the subject registrar. Then we need the verb, so we drag sends. After the verb, we place the adjective important. Next, we add the noun updates. Then we use the preposition to. We follow this with the demonstrative these. Next, we place the adjective university. Finally, we end with the noun accounts. To master the build a sentence task, always start by identifying the primary subject and verb to anchor your structure. Pay close attention to how adjectives and prepositions modify those core elements to ensure logical flow. Consistent practice with these grammatical building blocks is the most effective way to improve your TOEFL writing score.